Hey there friends, welcome to another friendly tip. Today I'm excited to bring you this awesome unboxing of the HP X2 Chromebook. So what we got here is a recent Chromebook from HP. Let me read out the specs together right here. It has the 7th generation Intel Core M3 processor. It has 32 gigabytes onboard storage. The RAM is 4 gigabytes and it is LPDDR3. It runs obviously Chrome OS. It's a 12.3 inch screen with touch screen on it. Has both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and everything. Has a 5 megapixel front camera and a 13 megapixel or back camera. It's a Chromebook, it's a computer. Don't really care too much about that. And that's kind of basically it. So let's unbox this baby and see what it has, what's inside. Stay tuned. First, let's cut open nice packaging. Tape, man's best friend. All right. Let's be nice and gentle. Take it on out. Take everything out, dump it on there. Got your paperwork and crap that nobody ever reads, let's be honest. Shovel that in there. And let's see, what else do we got here? We got the power cord. Traditional power cord, let's set that aside right here. The other part of the power cord, let's plug that in. The nice thing about this Chromebook, unlike other ones, like the Pixelbook for example, is this one comes with a pen included. The Pixelbook, Google's main one, doesn't come with a pen included. You have to pay, I think it's $69 just for the pen alone, on top of the almost $1,000 price for a Pixelbook. Now I know there's been a lot of discounts and deals on it, so you can probably find one for about $800, but still the typical price for it is around $1,000. So the fact you're not getting a pencil with the Pixelbook, it's kind of ridiculous in my opinion. So, but with this HP one, it comes standard. So again, instructions, we don't need no stinking instructions. Don't need that either. What we came for is this. All right, so let's unbox this baby. We don't need any protective padding. Where we're going to the danger zone. Let's have fun here, people. I'll set the pen aside. We'll unbox that in a second. So here we go. HP Zone branding on the tape. Pull that baby off. And the tape doesn't want to let go. Here we go. All right, here we are. Flips around. So the pen actually gets attached right here, so it has an attachment right on the keyboard. And the nice thing about this Chromebook that I love compared to all other Chromebooks, let me open it up and I'll show you. A nice protective layering to protect the keyboard, any damage, is the fact that, if I can do it without breaking it, is that it detaches. It is actually a full-blown tablet. So all the internals and compartments are all right here. So a lot of the Chromebooks nowadays are like the flip standard. So the keyboard flips around to the back. I don't really like that because then the whole time you're holding it in tablet mode, you're feeling the keys on it, and it's just so annoying. I prefer this type of standard. So it's attached by a pin, very bottom. I'll do a full review of this device in a little bit, but just for the unboxing purposes, if you're curious, it's a pin thing that just attaches right into the keyboard. So it just hooks on right back on there, and we're on its way to go. So let me show you guys in this at the very end is the nice stylus comes with it. So if you notice, it is a AAA battery that you have to have in here. Let's open it up. And I think it's probably unscrewable. Let's find out. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Whew. Hey, we didn't break it. Whew. Good thing. All right. Throw it in first. Screw it back on. And let's slip it on in here. So, as so. So the nice thing is it at least comes with it. and at least it's portable. I mean, it's a little bit of a bulky side thing, but at least you don't have to worry about it losing it anytime soon. So the nice thing about Chrome OS is that it boots up instantly or almost instantly, because it really doesn't have much overhead for that. But kind of exciting for this, so we'll boot it up and I will do my full review of this, and I'll have it in an upcoming video. Stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit subscribe so that way you can see that video when it goes live. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and to comment down below what your thoughts are about this, or if you have any questions about Chrome OS or just Chromebooks in general. Love to hear your thoughts. So thanks so much, and take care, guys.